Ever wondered how you can incorporate eco-friendly practices into your home makeover plans? As the world awakens to the importance of sustainable living, the allure of eco-friendly DIY home makeovers is on the rise. Picture this: upcycled planters, DIY solar-powered lighting, art from recycled materials, a composting station, and so much more. All designed to revamp your space while reducing your carbon footprint. So gear up to transform your home into a green oasis. Now dive into the world of DIY with these simple, budget-friendly projects. First up, let's create some upcycled planters. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. All you need is an old container or a piece of furniture. With a dash of creativity, you can transform it into a stylish planter that breathes life into any space. Next, we harness the power of the sun with DIY solar-powered lighting. This project is a brilliant way to illuminate your indoor and outdoor spaces while reducing your energy consumption. Plus, it's a fun and educational experience to build your own solar-powered solutions. Now let's turn discarded items into art. With a keen eye for design, you can transform what was once waste into a unique piece of decor. It's a fantastic way to add character to your home while promoting sustainability. Moving on to the composting station. This project is a great way to reduce kitchen waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's as simple as collecting your kitchen scraps in a dedicated compost bin and waiting for nature to do its magic. Next, consider upgrading your appliances to energy-efficient models. This is not exactly a DIY project, but it's an important step towards a greener home. Energy-efficient appliances can significantly reduce your electricity usage and carbon footprint. Ready for more crafting? Let's create reusable home products. From beeswax wraps to cloth napkins, making your own reusable alternatives is an easy and effective way to cut down on waste. Next, let's talk about the vertical herb garden. This project allows you to grow your own herbs indoors, saving space and providing fresh ingredients for your meals. Now, onto the rainwater harvesting system. This project might sound complex, but it's actually quite simple. By collecting and storing rainwater, you can reduce your reliance on municipal water sources and contribute to water conservation. Let's clean green with DIY eco-friendly cleaning products. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils can be combined to make effective and non-toxic cleaners. Finally, opt for DIY projects using natural and sustainable fibers like cotton, hemp, and bamboo. These materials are not only eco-friendly, but also add a natural, cozy touch to your home. And voila! With these green DIY hacks, your home makeover is not just trendy, but also sustainable. Now that you have the tools to create a stylish, eco-friendly home, it's time to get started. From upcycled planters and solar-powered lighting to composting stations and DIY green cleaning products, the possibilities are endless. So why not give it a go? You could redefine your space, save money, and make a positive impact on our planet. Transform your home into a stylish haven that reflects your unique personality and stays ahead of the trend curve. And remember, every green step counts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Brood content. Happy crafting!